This look was inspired by Sadie Sink's red lips and rosy cheeks makeup on Taylor Swift's All Too Well short film. Before we start, comment down what your favorite song is from the Red album. All products used in this tutorial are linked in the description box. To make the base last longer, ginamit ko yung Issy & Co. Illuminating Powder to prep my T-zone. Nag-apply lang ako ng thin layer, focusing on parts where I normally oil up para maging intact yung foundation ko buong araw. Yung base ko is a combination of Issy & Co.'s Active Skin Tint in Hazel and Squad Cosmetics You Can Face It Liquid Foundation in the shade Beige to give my skin a balance of breathability and coverage. I like to apply my foundation from the C-zone first, then slowly going into the T-zone. By doing this, I'm only applying foundation residue on my T-zone area, which won't cause my makeup to be cakey because of minimal makeup use. To spot conceal, I'm applying Issy & Co.'s Active Concealer in the shade MW2. When blending out a concealer, make sure that your hand's pressure is light and soft. My go-to under eye corrector right now is Get Ready With Me's Milk Tint in the shade Wintermelon. Napaka-useful talaga ng product na to and I highly recommend it. Madaming uses kayo makukuha dito. Conceal ulit using Issy & Co.'s Active Concealer in the shade MW2 after correcting under eyes. To sculpt my face, Get Ready With Me's Radiance Tint naman ginamit ko in the shade Caramel. A little goes a long way with this product, kaya konti lang gamitin nyo, lalo na if mestiza ka. Sienna from Get Ready With Me's Radiance Tint naman yung in-apply ko on my under eyes, forehead, and chin to brighten up my face. Set the face by pressing on a thin layer of Issy & Co.'s Illuminating Powder onto the T-zone with a sponge and lightly set the rest of the face using a brush. To intensify the contour just a tad bit, I'm using Vice Cosmetics Contour Powder. Now I'm filling in my brows using Issy & Co.'s Brow Pencil Pro in the shade Ash Brown. I'm not doing any brow shape alteration for this look. I'm not sure if Sadie had any eyeliner on, but I'm still applying a brown liner on anyway from Nichido in the shade Hazelnut because I have a relatively smaller eye shape than her. By doing this, I'm making my eyes look optically wider like Sadie's. Sadie had a little bit of eye color on her lids, so I'm applying a light amount of contour powder onto the lids. To curl my lashes, I'm using the Bokto Lash Curler, which I got from Landmark Makati, and KPalette's One Day Lash Up Mascara to freeze the curl. For my rosy cheeks, I'm blushing up with Squad Cosmetics Happy Pot in the shade College. This is a perfect blush to match the All Too Well vibe that complements morena skin as well. Of course, we have to have a red lip moment, and this is in courtesy of Vice Cosmetics Fleximatte lipstick in the shade AyLabyuSo Matte. Oh, and before I forget, sculpt the nose to make it optically narrower with Vice Cosmetics Contour. The holidays are coming up, and I must say this is an incredibly simple yet alluring look you can do for your glam. Till next time, no hate, just love.